If you were housing minister, what key changes would you make to solve the Irish housing crisis?
That's a tough one. One is supply
Mm.
immediately, is cutting VAT like fully as opposed to marginally. There's quite a lot of land out there at the moment that is sitting idle, full planning permission, and it's just not viable. Free up that, I think, just as something to do immediately would help massively. Somewhat more innovative mortgage products at the moment. Clearly, Ireland, we just don't have a huge amount of mortgage providers. So the net worth of the average person in Ireland that owns a home is just over €350,000. The same figure for a renter in Ireland is €5,000. Interestingly, the people that have lots of cash are also probably the people who have lots of property, and that is a big issue because there's a big difference between the haves and the have-nots at the moment in Ireland.